there. That's so crazy.
Season 1.
That's so crazy, man. I still got your thing, man.
Don't worry about it.
Ian, can you hit the cash shot? The last person I need on it.
Thank you.
Oh, wow, dude. Good deal.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you.
Awesome, man.
Favorite redhead on your left.
Favorite redhead?
Yeah, it's your favorite redhead on my left. Thank you. What's up, man?
Hey, how are you, brother?
Excellent.
Ian, you hit the
Good to
last
see you,
one.
my brother.
Nice to see you.
Hey, guys.
Thanks, man.
Bottom left, Ian? Thank you. Bottom left, Ian? Trying to get rid of some of the oldies but goodies.
Oldies but goodies,
Trying to get rid
brother.
of the dust collectors. Thanks, man. Remember last time I got you guys on the way out of the after party inside the cemetery? It was awesome. Thank you for getting the photo out with me at Roosevelt.
1 sec, brother. I'll be right back. Let me do this.
Over here, please.
It's going to be difficult.
Can you sign the lost in silver? Can you just sign right there, please, in silver? Where? Just right there.
Can you sign anywhere on the hat in silver?
Can you sign now?
Thank you.
Okay, no, you guys need to move your arm. You need to move your arm.
Ian, please, for my wife, please.
Ian,
Will you sign the calendar?
anywhere on the hat.
Can you switch pens here? Right here.
Oh, it's not.
All right, Ian?
Just anywhere on the hat.
Right here to your left.
Go, guys.
All right.
I'm sacrificing a rib.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm
The good thing is you got a lot more.
She get a picture with
You guys
you.
rock, man.
She get a picture with you, please.
Can you switch pens, Ian? In between your arms, Ian. You're the last one I need. Can you switch pens, Ian? For my wife's birthday, please. You're the last one I need.
Oh, for sure, dude. Hold on 1 second.
Can I get a picture? 1 second. Will you hold this for 1 second? 1 second.
Can you switch pens, Ian?
Switch
Stand behind the barricade.
Whose is this? I saw this.
The blue pen. She wants a photo op with you? Ian?
You're not going to get your signature.
Kirkman rules!
Guys,
Can I please get a picture? Right here.
I would. Hold on 1 sec, guys. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
Ian, I don't have anything. I can just get a picture.
Can I get a picture?
I love you guys.
Back.
You guys fucking do. I love you all.
Can
I get a picture with you, too?
You need to step back.
I stole this from some guys. I would love to do pictures. I'm late. I'm gonna get killed.
Ian.
You already did, remember?
You're
already dead. We're ready.
She has it ready.
This girl's hyperventilating. Yeah, she got it with photo op.
Hold on a second, guys. I gotta go. I adore you.
They must have had an open bar in there, huh? Ian, last one right here. Ian, last one.